Enchained. Enchained to a stranger and handcuffed, as every man in life does feel sometime. I felt my every query is rebuffed, so stubborn is this stranger in his prime. And my afflicted mind in barricades of ignorance does fumble and argue, embarks upon its silent, fruitless raids, and shadows as realities I construe. In meek allegiance, wounded it retreats, subservient, humiliated, in dismay, to lick its wounds, but in a flash it meets the truth, and then in wonder turns to say, in vain I struggled, made impassioned plea, it all the time was I, enchained to me.